Alright, you can see a nice canvas here. You can see here a solid wood block and some painted are done previously. So it's a color and combinations of red and blue. You can see white in the middle, and from the side the views have shown, and it's a solid wood you can see here. So as a canvas, this is pretty permanent. I'm going to draw a bigger sun here in the middle, taking a bigger brush and drawing a circular shape of the white color formations in the middle. Okay, so when you draw, just try to make it as round as possible so that the sun looks mostly the uniform in shapes. Okay, putting the brush all together in all directions. Awesome. So let's take a little bit more color and complete the drawing of the sun. So that consists the most part in the middle. Now for the ground level, let's take the color and putting a bigger strokes like this one. As you can see, only the left portion of the canvas. Okay, and as you can see, we are moving the brush left and right, so the level variations is somehow visible. And for the tree, we're just going to put the colors with a single brush. Let's put the bigger stroke at the bottom and just put the brush to the upward directions. Okay, usually the trees have the mostly organic shapes, and you can see the bottom part there's quite thicker. Okay, and as it moves through to the upward directions, you can see it's becoming thinner and narrow. The color and the size of the branches becomes diminishing to the upward directions, and the thickness is prominent at the bottom. Okay, so the thing is that the branches of the tree is partially penetrated the visuality of the sun here, and the partial other branches are out of the sun. Now we're going to put the two types of color variations here. So in the bottom portions, let's put the yellow color, and just putting like a continuous shapes. As you can see, I'm drawing just which is attached to the end of the branches. Okay, now drawing the right side of the branches. If you like, you can add little bit water to make the drawing more smooth, because the water, when it add up with the color, it makes the canvas more smoother. As you know, this is a wooden canvas, so it's little different from the fabric canvas, so that's why the drawing style is going to be little bit different. So after putting the yellow color here, we're just going to take the green color and putting the color on the top of that yellow portion which was just put it previously. Okay, so there's the deep dark green color on the top of the yellow. Now you can just mix the color variations like this one. And just let's wipe up the previous color and start mixing it from the you can see here from the yellow at the bottom. So just putting the strokes like you can see, I'm putting the horizontal strokes So the dark green color is going to be the bordering elements. Okay, so on the periphery you can see the dark green colors. Otherwise in the middle you can see a mix of green and yellow color. Awesome. So that's it, starting from the yellow and going to the green portion and putting the dark green to the periphery, and the trees has a very good shade and the transition of shades like a gradient. Let's put some colors in the bottom and drawing something like you can see the plants that's grown up at the bottom of the tree here. Okay, so that's a very simple, nice, easy and very easy to draw landscape scenery here. So this portion is empty, you can put two birds flying here. That's going to be the very easy idea. To draw the birds, let's take the dark blue color because it's going to be the sky blue color here and the white color here, so dark blue is a good combinations. Okay, so as the birds flying to the front directions, just drawing the body, and this is the wings. You can draw the details of the wings, and the head is on the top. These are the legs and the wings you can see here. Awesome, the wings look somehow visibly nice. So there's one bird and another bird next to it. There's going to be a smaller in size, so the size can vary because of the distance and the sizes of the birds. Both things are considered while we draw the bird. Okay, so this is going to be a little darker color. Okay, another wings you can see here. Okay, so very simple, only two birds just flying from the tree to the other end and good directions of the sun. All right, and it's going to act as a background, and other colors let's put in the bottom, and there's going to be a parts of landscape, so just putting the colors in the bottom here. Okay, so that's a simple drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.